Now that we've successfully connected our WordPress site to TextBuilder, it's time to create our first article. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process of using TextBuilder to generate a blog post from scratch, including how to add relevant context using an external website. To begin, every article needs some context. That means the AI needs to know what the article is about before it can write something meaningful. You can either write this context yourself, or, like I'll do here, use existing content to help generate it. For this example, I want to create an article that features one of my videos, specifically the one about the special KFC Squid Game menu. So what I'll do is find a relevant article online that explains what this KFC menu is all about. I found one. It's in Polish, but that's fine. I'll copy the article content and then I'll go to ChatGPT to help me summarize it and generate a clear context in English for my blog post. I'll simply paste the content into ChatGPT and ask it to create an English language summary suitable for a blog post introduction. The idea is to use this as a well-informed context that the AI can then expand into a full article. Since AI can't make up facts, we always need to give it some solid material to work from. Initially, the result may not be perfect. In that case, I ask the AI again, specifically to generate detailed context that outlines what the article should cover. This helps ensure that any AI writing tool can produce a relevant and informative article, even if it doesn't know the topic in advance. Once I'm happy with the context, I switch over to TextBuilder. I head to the autopilot section where I can start a new project. I'll call this project Where Can I Fly Blog Articles, since that's the name of my WordPress blog I've just connected. After clicking Create Project, I choose the article type. In this case, I want an informative article. I'll paste the plain text context that I just generated using ChatGPT. This gives the AI the information it needs to build the article. Next, I enter the article title. Since ChatGPT already suggested a good one, I'll reuse that. Then I paste in the context. Now, if I had used the original article in Polish directly, the AI might have kept that language, which isn't what I want. So instead, I use the English context generated earlier to make sure the article stays in the right language. I skip the automatic outline because I prefer to have the AI generate the full content based on just the context. Then I move on to the settings. I select my favorite AI model to generate the article. Right now, I prefer Claude Sonnet 4. I set the language to English, writing style to second person, and choose an informative tone. I also enable formatting like bold and italic text. I want the article to include an FAQ section, so I request 7 questions and answers. I also enable key takeaways for better clarity and summary at the end. I set the article length to be somewhere in the middle range, about 1,000 to 3,000 words, and choose a medium paragraph length for easier reading. For visuals, I enable AI-generated images. I select 1 featured image and 3 ultra-realistic images to be included within the paragraphs. These images will add variety and make the post more visually appealing. Finally, I want to enhance SEO and reader experience by automatically including external links. I set it to insert 3 random links throughout the article. That's it for the setup. Now, all I have to do is click Generate Post. The process takes a little while, but once it's done, we'll have a complete, ready-to-publish blog post that includes everything. A relevant intro, useful content, visuals, and links, all generated from the context we gave it.